What if your partner is snoring and you can't sleep?
Better to have separate bedrooms and wake up in the morning and continue with your life. There is no shame, there is nothing wrong in it.
There's a term to this called sleep divorce.
One of the easiest cures for snoring is actually chewing your food. Snoring happens because these muscles become flaccid, they are not strong. If you chew your food 40-50 times every single bite you put it to your mouth, you are anyway strengthening the muscles, you are aiding digestion. It's like very good for you. Give them food and tell them chew. And literally count 40 times, 50 times in your mouth, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Not only will their digestion be like out of this world, in a few months, their snoring will be dramatically reduced.